Hello and welcome to this video about JavaScript and its unique functionalities. JavaScript is a programming language that is used to create interactive web pages and web applications. In this video, we will explore some of the key features of JavaScript that make it unique from other programming languages and frameworks. Now I will explain you about a feature of JavaScript which is known as client-side scripting. One of the most significant features of JavaScript is that it is a client-side scripting language. This means that it is executed by the web browser, rather than the server. This enables JavaScript to be used for creating interactive web pages and user interfaces. JavaScript can manipulate the HTML and CSS elements of a web page, and respond to user events such as clicks and keystrokes. Now here is a live example of client-side scripting. In this example, I am using JavaScript to change the text of an HTML element when a button is clicked. Now I will explain you another feature of JavaScript, known as asynchronous programming. JavaScript supports asynchronous programming, which means that it can handle multiple tasks simultaneously. This is achieved through the use of callbacks, promises, and async await functions. Asynchronous programming is particularly useful for handling network requests, as it allows the program to continue running while waiting for a response from the server. Now here is a live example of asynchronous programming for better understanding. In this example, I am using JavaScript fetch API method to retrieve data from a server asynchronously, and then displays the data on a web page. Now I will explain you another feature of JavaScript, known as dynamic typing. JavaScript is a dynamically typed language, which means that the data type of a variable is determined at runtime, rather than at compile time. This makes JavaScript more flexible and adaptable than statically typed languages such as Java or C++. However, it also means that developers need to be careful when handling data types, as errors can occur if the wrong data type is used. Now here is a live example of dynamic typing for better understanding. In this example, I am using JavaScript to demonstrate the dynamic typing by assigning a number value to a variable, and then later assigning a string value to the same variable. The typeof operator is used to determine the data type of the variable at runtime. Now I will explain you another feature of JavaScript known as object-oriented programming. JavaScript also supports object-oriented programming, which allows developers to create objects that encapsulate data and behavior. This enables developers to write code that is more modular and easier to maintain. JavaScript's implementation of OOP is based on prototypes, rather than classes. Now here is a live example of object-oriented programming for better understanding. In this example, I am using JavaScript to create a car object using a constructor function and sets its properties. It then adds a method to the object's prototype and creates an instance of the car object. Now I will explain you another feature of JavaScript, known as functional programming. JavaScript is a functional programming language, which means that it treats functions as first-class citizens. Functions can be assigned to variables, passed as arguments to other functions, and returned as values. This enables developers to write concise and reusable code that is easier to maintain. Now here is a live example of function programming for better understanding. In this example, I am using JavaScript map method to create a new array of squared numbers based on an existing array of numbers. In conclusion, JavaScript is a powerful and versatile programming language that is used to create interactive web pages and web applications. Its client-side scripting capabilities, support for asynchronous and functional programming, implementation of object-oriented programming, and dynamic typing make it unique from other programming languages and frameworks. With the continued growth of the web, JavaScript will undoubtedly remain a critical tool for developers for years to come. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos and press the bell icon to get notifications for new videos.